In this video, I'll show you how to load paper in your HP DeskJet 4255e printer. So take your stack of paper, and we need to go on the back of this printer. This is where the paper tray is located. So I'll turn it like this. And in the back of the printer, this is your paper tray that we need to pull up. Okay, so simply grab it like this and pull it up. Oh, sometimes it may seem stuck, but it's not. Okay, like that. And lay it on its back. Now you're gonna notice there's this transparent flap here. We can simply open to take a look inside. And you're gonna notice there is a small blue guide right over there that you can move around. Make sure that it's all the way to the end over there. And glide your paper through this small opening. Okay, just let it sit. If it's the first time you're doing this on your printer, a page will be automatically printed once you have inserted the paper for the very first time. This is an alignment page. But overall, this is it. This is where you put your paper. If you need some supplies for your printer, so some ink or even, let's say, paper to print or glossy paper to print pictures, take a look at my Amazon links down below. Every time you go through them, you support my channel since I get a very small commission. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video.